Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Vertical. So today we are talking about the most talented and gorgeous Bhojpuri actress Sunita Singh. So today I edit a song and the song name is Takiyawa. My video is so smoother and sharpener and it's available in 4K 60 fps in vertical frame. So I covering all the angle of Sunita Singh in this video. Sunita Singh's performance on the Takiyawa Bhojpuri song is a remarkable showcase of her talent and artistry. In this review, I will develop into various aspects of her performance, including vocal technique, emotional express, cultural significance, and its audience engagement, providing a comprehensive analysis that spans several pages. To begin with, Sunita's vocal technique is one of the standout features of her performance. Her control over her voice is evident as she effortlessly navigates through the song melodic variation. She employs a rich vocal tone that resonates well, allowing to her convey the nuances of the lyrics. Effectively, the use of traditional Bhojpuri inflections adds authenticity to her performance, showcasing her deep understanding on the genre. Her ability to hit high notes with clarity while maintaining a strong lower register demonstrated her vocal range and technique skill. Moreover, emotional expression is crucial element of any musical performance, and Sunita excels in this regard. Throughout the song, she embodies the emotional convey in the lyrics, drawing the audience into the narrative. Her facial expression and body language complement her vocal delivery, creating a holistic experience for the listeners, whether it is a moment of joy and or hint of Sunita's ability to connect emotionally with the audience is palpable. This emotional depth elevates her performance beyond mere technical executions, making it memorable experience for all who witness it. This cultural significance of the Takiyawa Bhojpuri song cannot be overlooked. Bhojpuri music is deeply rooted in the traditional and values of the region. It originates from Sunita's performance, not celebration, only showcase her talent but also serve as a Bhojpuri culture. By performing this song, she is contribute to preservation and promotion of the Bhojpuri music, introducing it to new audience and fostering a sense of pride among those familiar with the genre. Her choice of the song reflects the commitment to cultural heritage, and her performance become a bridge connecting generation through music. Audience engagement is another critical aspect of Sunita's performance. From the moment she stepped on the stage, she established a rapport with the audience. Her and enthusiasm and infectious, encouraging audience participation and creating an interactive atmosphere, whether through and call response segment or inviting the audience to sing along. Sunita fosters a sense of community during performance, their engagement not only enhance the overall experience but also highlight her ability to connect with listeners on a personal level. In addition to these elements, the production quality of the song performance diverse mention the arrangement of the music complements Sunita voice beautifully with instrumentations that enhance the overall sound without overshadowing her vocals. The use of traditional Bhojpuri instrument alongside modern element create a fusion that appeal to wide range of listeners. The sound engineering ensure that every note is crisp and clear, allowing the audience is fully appreciates the intricacies of the performance. Furthermore, the visual presentations of the performance add an extra layer of the depth. Sunita's choice are attire reflect the cultural root, the songs enhancing the authenticity of her performance and staging, lightning and choreography all the contribute to a visually captivating experience that keeps the audience engaged from start to finish. This attention to detail showcase Sunita's commitment to delivering a well-rounded performance that appeal to both the ears and the eyes. The culture significance of Takiyawa songs cannot be overlooked, deeply rooted in the traditions and value of the region. Sunita's performance not only showcase her talent but also serve as the celebration of the Bhojpuri culture. Bhojpuri music introduction into the new audience and fostering a sense of pride among those familiar with genre. Her choice of the songs reflect continent and cultural heritage. Her performance from the moment as she steps onto the stage, she establishes a raptor with audience. Her enthusiasms are infectious, encouraging audience participation and creating an interactive atmosphere, whether through call-out response segment or inviting the audience to sing along. Sunita fostered a sense of community during her performance. This engagement not only enhanced the overall experience but also highlight her ability to connect with listeners' personal. In addition these elements, the production quality is performance levels mentions. The arrangement of the music complements Sunita's voice beautifully. Instrumentation that enhance the overall sound without overshadowing her vocals. The use of traditional Bhojpuri instrument along modern elements create a fusion that appeal to wide range of listeners. In conclusions, Sunita Singh's performance of the Takiyawa Bhojpuri song is testament to her exceptional talent and dedication to her of craft. Through her vocal technique, emotional expressions, the audience and significance, engagement and overall production's quality, she creates a performance that resonates deeply with her listeners and its celebrations of Bhojpuri music and cultural and a modern reminder of the power of music connect people across different backgrounds. Sunita's ability to captivating an audience and convey profound emotions through her art is commendable, making her a standout performance in the Bhojpuri music scenes. And Sunita Pawan not only showcased talent but served Bhojpuri cultural by performing this song. She's contribute presentations and promotion of Bhojpuri music, and her performance not only entertain but also educate and inspire, leaving a lasting impressions all the overall who have the pleasure of experience it. So if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel